Today we would like to introduce to you the wire mesh welding panel machine produced by our company. It is also called reinforcing mesh welding machine. The machine has the following advantages. First, it adopts separate control welding technology, ensuring strong, stable, and fast welding. Second, CNC touch screen operation production parameters